We're joined now by Alex Toker, Editor-in-Chief of the Journal of Biological Chemistry. Now, I understand you just started this role somewhat recently. What is the vision of the future for the journal?
So the Journal of Biological Chemistry that is published by the ASBMB, or the American Society for Biochemistry and Molecular Biology, along with the other two journals that are published by the Society, Journal of Lipid Research and Molecular and Cellular Proteomics, went open access just over a year ago. And one of the visions that I and the editors at the JBC have is to move beyond open access. And one of the exciting ideas that we are working on is to move into the realm of open science, to make all of the scientific content that we publish freely available to the entire scientific community and to the community at large.
Why is this so important? What can the impact be in the future?
Well, as you might imagine, one of the things that the COVID pandemic has unfortunately amplified is, to a certain extent, a public distrust of science and scientists, compounded by issues that have been perpetuated in the scientific literature with respect to plagiarism and falsification of data. The basic premise of open science is that all of the data, all of the research materials, everything that it goes into a scientific research study is freely available, thereby obviating any issues with respect to falsification, to data manipulation, etc.
Anything you can share with us about the focus of future journals coming out?
With respect to the Society, the three flagship journals, being the JBC, MCP, and JLR, have all gone open access. And this has really been a revolution. We are one of the first societies to move our journals to a fully gold open access model, which it was really mandated by the Plan S movement and recommendations throughout the world. That really means that anyone with an internet connection can access our published content, regardless of subscription to libraries, regardless of having to pay a publisher for that published content. It has meant that the financial model by which journals are published by academic societies such as the ASBMB has had to change drastically.
I imagine that must have been an obstacle.
It was something that was initiated by the society leadership and the journal editors. It took several years of investigating how and with whom to partner to bring our journals to an open access model. And many thoughtful decisions had to be made that allowed the society to function for the many activities that they engage with. And so what it means is that the article processing charges that are garnered from the published content that we have go straight back into science via the conduits that the society uses, such as public affairs, advocacy, lobbying, raising awareness in science, and so on.
Thank you so much for sharing this very interesting information.
You're welcome. Thank you.